Assalaamu Alaikum, my beautiful ladies, queens, sisters, and survivors. Welcome back to Learn with Nia, where we rise, we reclaim, and we radiate from within. If you are healing from a toxic relationship right now, I want you to take a deep breath because today's video is your reminder that you are not broken. You are becoming stronger. A toxic relationship attacks your confidence slowly. It makes you doubt your worth, question your beauty, silence your voice, and forget the woman you used to be. But here's the truth, queen. You didn't lose yourself, you were buried. And today you're rising. Healing begins with honesty. Stop minimizing what happened. Stop saying it wasn't that bad. Say this with me: it was toxic. It did hurt me. And I deserve better. Quran verse 6 chapter 94. Indeed, with hardship comes ease. Dear sister, Allah saw your tears, your pain. He is guiding you toward a better chapter. Dream again, your life is not over. Start planning your comeback. Your business, your education, your goals, your self-love journey. You are not too old, too broken, or too late. You are right on time. So sit back, relax, and keep listening as I share these steps for you to regain your power and rebuild confidence. 1. Acknowledge the truth without sugarcoating it. Healing begins when you finally admit, this relationship hurt me, and I deserve better. No more denying, minimizing, or blaming yourself. This clarity is the first act of self-love. 2. Cut off access, protect your peace. Toxic people feed on your emotional availability. Block them. Delete the messages. Stop checking their social media. Freedom begins when you no longer give them a doorway into your heart. 3. Rebuild your identity. Remember who you were before the pain. Toxic relationships make you forget your glow. Start reconnecting with hobbies, routines, and passions you abandoned. Ask yourself daily, who am I when nobody is draining me? That woman is still inside you. 4. Create a powerful support circle. Surround yourself with people who celebrate you, not drain you. Healthy friendships, sisters, mentors, and community matter. One sincere friend who loves you is better than 100 fake ones. 5. Practice daily emotional detox. Healing is not overnight, it's daily. Try journaling, reading Quran or scripture, dhikr/affirmations, walking outside, listening to inspirational messages. Release the emotional poison little by little. 6. Replace negative self-talk with truth. A toxic partner destroys your self-esteem by making you doubt your worth. Combat the lies with truth. I am worthy. I am enough. I was not the problem. I deserve gentle love. Confidence grows from repeated truth. 7. Learn the patterns so you never repeat them. Understanding narcissistic abuse, manipulation, trauma bonding, and love bombing helps you identify red flags fast. Knowledge protects your future relationships. 8. Set strong boundaries with zero apologies. Toxic-free living requires courage. Say, no, I don't accept disrespect. My time is valuable. My peace matters. Each boundary strengthens your confidence. 9. Reconnect spiritually. Let God repair what was broken. A wounded heart heals fastest in the remembrance of God. You're not alone. You're being rebuilt. 10. Start dreaming again. You are not broken, you are becoming. Make plans. Start projects. Rebuild your life. Your toxic past was a chapter, not your identity. Your comeback story will inspire hundreds of women who need your strength. Remember, beautiful queen, healing is not about becoming who you were before the relationship. Healing is about becoming stronger, wiser, more confident, more in love with yourself than ever before. You are healing, you are rising. I'm here with you every step of the way. If this inspired you, share it with another queen who needs to hear. Stay inspired, stay fabulous.